ready to jump into the Marvel Multiverse on your Xbox. Let's clarify everything you need to know about playing Marvel Rivals on your console. As of right now, Marvel Rivals is still in development, and the platforms that the game will be available on hasn't been completely nailed down. Currently, the game is planned for PC on Steam and the Epic Games Store. While there's no official release date for Xbox just yet, keep your eyes peeled for announcements from Marvel Rivals developers, where we'll get the information about the consoles that Marvel Rivals will be available on. Once Marvel Rivals becomes available on Xbox, head to the Xbox Store on your console to start the download. Make sure to check the game's download size and have enough storage space available. After the download, go to the My Games and Apps section on your Xbox. From there, find Marvel Rivals. Then, you can click the game to start the installation. Launch the game and start your journey into the world of Marvel Rivals. Enjoy your adventure.